Okay, the next Web 2.0 site that we're going to set up is hubpages.com. And we're just gonna join them and create our new account there. Just gonna call that eGrandPiano, SEO at eGrandPiano.com, and then okay. And then agree to their terms and conditions. Yeah, it looks like the name is already taken, so I'm just gonna input something else. eGrandPiano. Let's see if that's available. And then we can now... I wonder why their security image is not showing. So let me just try and... it's still working. Let me just try a refresh. And okay, there it is. So eGrandPiano, SEO at piano.com. Normally, you'd want to keep all the details in an Excel file for later use, so that it doesn't get confusing, because sometimes the username is different, the password is different. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this step. It's not really required. I'm just gonna skip that step as well and just click create a hub. So a hub is just like your own website. That's just what they call it, but basically it's just your own mini website or mini blog. Let me just click that a second time. And how to play the piano. And it's going to ask us to select the most relevant category, and what I'm just going to do is do a search for piano where that might belong. And this one looks good, performing arts, pianos and keyboards. So I'm just going to select that. Then step 4, choose a starting layout. Photo, text, comment, this one looks good, so I'm going to keep it at that. And this is where we can enter a couple more keywords. Generally 3 to 5 keywords can be added here, and that's a good number to start with. So grand piano for sale, grand piano tips, buy grand piano tutorials. Notice that I don't really have to get the keyword research. I just try to make it a bit random, try to add a couple of stuff there, and try to not have a pattern, a very repetitive pattern that Google can easily filter. So I'm using a couple of keywords there and adding some variation to it. So I'm just going to hit continue and hit continue again and enter the security image. Then okay, notice that this is the dashboard for your first hub page or your first blog inside Hub Pages. Notice that it's very similar to the one in Squidoo, where you can see the basic layout of that. Instead of having the Squidoo, what do you call that? The Squidoo modules in Hub Pages, they're called capsules. So that's just the same as the widgets. That's just the same as the gadgets, or that's just the same as the modules that's called in the Squidoo lens. So you can select here and add a text. Just for a quick start, I'm just going to edit the photo. One thing about Hub Pages is they're quite strict. If you don't place enough content, your page is not going to get published. So we need to have at least a photo and then a text, and then we're good to go. So we're just going to label that as photo grand piano website. I'm just going to grab a photo from my desktop and start uploading that. And once that's fully uploaded, I'm just going to hit save. And for the text, just click edit and learn. No, I'm just going to grab the article that I've prepared and paste that there. And I'm just going to save that. And that's basically it. Let's try publishing it now. You can add other add-ons there to include the features. Later on, we're going to add the links capsule so that we can add links to link to the other websites. Let's just hit the publish button for now, and that's it. Let's just try looking at the site itself, which is, let's just remove that. And so this is the site. Okay, this is the hub pages, your own hub pages site. And we're just going to grab the URL for the linking later on. And that's basically it for creating your own hub pages. Hey guys, if you liked this video, please leave a comment on the video page and visit our website www.internetmarketing-alchemy.com for more useful tutorial videos.